Hey guys, so today we have a 1991 Nissan Skyline GTS-T, right-hand drive, inline 6 turbo, coming in for a maintenance package. So with this package, we're gonna wash the car, polish the paint, pull the wheels out and clean them, and do a mini in the interior. The first step is to wash the car and then contaminate it, so let's get that going. Since this car is 33 years old, there's a lot of buildup on the barrel of the wheels. We pulled the wheels out to get a better, cleaner result. After years of brake dust and tar accumulation, you can see how hard it is to clean these wheels. So it's important to clean your wheels regularly to prevent them from getting this bad. Now that the maintenance has been done, which included a paint polish and a mini interior detail, it's ready to be delivered to its owner. If you want to do the same and rejuvenate your car's appearance, give us a call or visit our website for a free quote today.